Screw it. Screw it, we're gonna do it. Screw it, we'll do it live.
You remember that?
Yeah.
Bill O'Reilly or something?
Yes.
Bill O'Reilly?
Bill O'Reilly.
Sorry?
Oh, really, Bill? Oh, really?
Oh, really?
Oh, really?
Oh, really? Yeah, exactly. Oh, really?
Bill, oh, really? Oh, 16% on this action pod. Oop, not much battery left on this one. Low battery. This one's dead. Okay. Well, in that case, I'm gonna do one to the rear. And I'm gonna do up, single lens, 360, 8K. All right. I'm rolling. I'm gonna go try to catch an F. Sister cities. Oh, there goes my hat can.
Already?
All my cameras are dying, man.
Yeah.
Insufficient storage. Oh, I filled this one up. It says insufficient storage. I filled this one up.
You should have been doing the same thing.
There it is, F mark. Can we get on? No? Yes? Get on? Great, thank you.
Hold on, please.
See, we didn't have to wait for it. How about that? Hold on the head cam. Just gonna sit right here.
Did you do the ticket thing?
It's digital. He just checks to make sure we paid. But I do have to activate my tickets though. Make sure my bag doesn't fall over. You have no active tickets. Available ticket. Activate. Activate. Once used, this will expire in 2 hours. Okay, we got 2 tickets. Let's see. They just scanned the QR code.
Cool. I think you have to do it on the machine. I don't know.
Doesn't matter. We're only gonna ride 4 stops, then we'll get off and get on the subway. And use it on the subway. Recording. Oh.
Yeah, because that has an expiration date on it.
Yeah. But I activated the ticket though. It's okay, I'll scan it when we get off. We'll just say we're from out of town, we didn't know. I mean, I did buy it, so it's not like we're cheating.
Yeah. Is it asking you to do that now?
Do what?
Is that what it's saying right now? Like, you need to scan it now?
No, it's not saying I need to scan it. It's saying
Oh.
that it can be scanned, I think. I was probably supposed to scan it, but to be honest, we're gonna get off in a second anyway, so I'll just scan it when we get on the subway. On the subway? The subway? 2 blocks that way. You ever hear that stand-up routine? Russians are the scariest white people. It's hilarious. Russians are the scariest white people. It's a well-known fact, right?
I don't know.
I don't know.
Maybe we can talk about that later.
Yeah. I'll show it to you later when I'm not recording. But in the routine, he's like, the subway? 2 blocks east. It's like, yeah, I think I'll walk. Oh.
Is this it?
No, this is Montgomery. Cause that's Civic Center up there. Or actually, this might be Civic Center, cause that's Civic Center right there. I mean, Civic Center's a really long stop. You can actually walk in the underground part for like a block and a half under Market Street if it's like raining, you know. Like, you can go underground to get the subway and still have to walk a block and a half to get to the subway, you know. It's like this long corridor. People bus down there. And yeah, so that could be the beginning of Civic Center right there. Oh yeah, that used to be a Burger King also when I moved here. I used to live in the Donnelly Hotel right there, that green one, back in the 90s. The back window was out on the main branch of the public library. And Ananda Fuara is it's a famous vegetarian restaurant right here in Ananda Fuara. And so I moved here and I had a vegetarian restaurant right next door.
Oh, nice.
Yeah. And it's still here, and I moved here in 97. Restaurants don't always last. And Ananda Fuara, still there. Ananda Fuara. He's recording. Speed it up a little bit. I should put some like rubber on the bottom of these metal legs or something, make it where I can put it down on things without marking them, you know?
Anti-skid.
Anti-skid, some sort of rubber, like skid or something, like a tread. Like I don't have on my feet. Even some rubber. You can see it's cutting in already. Let me slide it forward. The bar is round, but the front part's sharp.
You can probably run this through here.
It's okay, don't worry about it. Okay, well this will be Van Ness next stop.
We'll have to request to stop.
Yeah.
You just pull that yellow cord now.
Yeah, we're not quite there yet. You can see the stop up there. Yep, it's the next corner. You might as well pull it. Can you pull the bar? Pull the rope?
Pull it now?
Yeah. Well, actually, it's the next stop after this one. But they have to stop here anyway.
So I'll pull it after we take off.
After we take off, yeah. So this is the oh, that's Fox Plaza there. Oh wait, this is it. We gotta get off. Sorry, we have to get off. We have to get off. Sorry. Hey guys. Coming off. Oh shoot. Sorry. Thank you.
Alright.
Yes, that's the subway right there.
Okay.
The subway. Did I mess up my cameras getting off the train there?
I don't think so.
I know I was banging them all over the place. Did they look positioned correctly?
This one kind of got moved.
Okay. It was already like that.
That's fine now.
Okay. There's an escalator on the other side, but we don't want to cross the street just to get it. I don't know how much juice I've got left, but I see the Ace Pro's still recording.
Yep.
So that's good.
Yeah, you're like a Christmas tree.
Yeah. One of the Go's is definitely still going.
What's the top one again?
The 1RS.
1RS? I don't think that one's...
Oh, it doesn't show an indication.
Oh, I see. Still.
Yeah. But this way.
Two-car K to Embarcadero Station. Next
What do I do?
K in
Okay.
18 minutes. K in
Yeah,
17
it's for
minutes.
two.
M
It's for two.
in 4 minutes. N
Yep.
Thank you.
in 3 minutes.
Now we take the subway.
And where are we heading?
We'll get out at Church and Market behind the Safeway. Or actually, no, we don't. We'll stay on until Coal Valley. We'll go out from under the underground behind the Safeway.
Mm-hmm.
We'll drive past Dubose Park, and then we'll go into a tunnel. And when we get out of the tunnel, we'll come
That's
out
when we
off
get
the
out,
train.
yeah.
Yeah.
So we're going westbound?
Yes. So we'll see daylight, and then we'll see dark, and then we'll see daylight again, and that's when we get off. Let's see when it's coming up. 4 minutes.
Is it an N?
I hope one of my cameras will last 4 minutes. Hold on, I got 4 minutes.
We're going to Balboa.
No, we want the end.
The N.
12 minutes. 4 minutes.
Oh yeah. We're still recording. Let's see.
F
Oh, this one's dying. It's very red. This one's probably dead too. Oh yeah, very low. Nope. I think it's too low to record. Yep. Both of the 360 cameras say they're too low to record. So they're done. But, means I can put the cases on them.
3 minutes.
And scratch caps.
Arriving eastbound, 2-car N to Belmont and Calgary. Next J, in 16 minutes.
Is my hat cam going?
In 16 minutes.
Oop, sure is.
In 2 minutes.
Yes.
Hat cam is going.
15 minutes.
Turn that off. This is going.
Arriving westbound. 1 car J to Balboa Park Station. Next J in 12 minutes. K in 7 minutes.
Okay. This one is gonna point backwards. And this one's gonna point forwards. And my hat cam. And that's all we got left. But it's just the subway. I can always get clips of that anytime. You know?
Yeah, you have to come back and just ride the subway village.
Yeah. It's alright, we'll get a little clip of it on the Ace Pro. Still recording, right?
Your thing's disconnected.
Uh-oh. Oh, shit. Fuck. I gotta fix that quick. Here, quick. Thank you. Angle good? Very good.
Is this it?
Probably. Oh, now it says 11 minutes. What happened?
No, that's the J.
Oh, that's a J, you're right.
We want the N.
The end's coming right now. That's why it's not showing. Yep, see? And Judah. Ocean Beach. Here it comes. The final leg of our transit journey. Light rail. Let's go this way. Looks pretty full.
These have been pretty quick turnarounds.
Yeah, we got right on the F. Didn't have to wait for the end. If we hadn't stopped for food and file transfers, we'd be back by now. In Judah. Next stop, Church and DuBose.
Next stop, DuBose and Church.
Told you. And then a stop after that is DuBose Park, and then the stop after that is Coal Valley, after the tunnel. Please watch your step. Straps.
These are new.
What? Oh yeah, no. I mean, I've seen them like this. I mean, I guess it looks a little newer,
Huh?
but basically they've looked like this since I've been here at the J Church. Yeah, this might be like a newer model of it, but as far as being silver light rail trains, it's been like that since I got here. The J, M, L, and the K, and the N. So it's probably maybe a more recent version of it, but essentially looks the same. What?
Now we're starting to haul ass.
Oh yeah, that's 'cause there's no more stations for like 10 blocks. I mean, there's no more stations at all. We're gonna be above ground next. Here we go. We're gonna start heading out of the tunnel, out of the underground. Here we go. We're going up. See? Up, 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 up. It spins. It's articulated. That's what they call those buses. Did you know that? The buses that have the accordion in the middle, they call them articulated.
Articulated?
Yep. Articulated buses. Here we go. Church and DeBose. Market Street's the block that way. So we veered off of Market Street. Up, something just died. Was it the Ace Pro?
Yep.
It was?
Battery.
Yep. Well, we got our subway though. Oh, we didn't get the tunnel though. Spin this one around forward maybe.
This one?
Yeah.
That's a good idea. Oh, it's gonna loosen up.
Make sure you rotate it clockwise, not counterclockwise.
There we go.
Cool. So we've got a little bit of something. Subway action. Turn it that way.
Okay.
That way I got one this way and one this way. Which one?
This top one.
There are no top ones. There's only this one on my right shoulder and this one on my hat.
Oh, okay. Oh, I see. That one you're talking about. Gotcha.
Watch your step. Yep, sorry. Okay, I'll get out of the way. Two more stops. The only way to get back to the house without walking would have been to get on a 5 Fulton bus from Market Street. All the buses run down Market Street. Get on a 5 Fulton and it goes down Fulton, you know. But that's just a bus. Boring.
Yeah, regular city bus.
Yeah. At least we're on a train.
Oh, this is way better.
Yeah. And we stop in Coal Valley, which is pretty. DeBose Park. This would be a good place to SE because it's a neighborhood park where people just sit out. You know?
There's a little walkway across.
And there is a walkway, yeah.
That'd be a good spot.
That would be a good spot next time.
Got some cityscape too.
Yeah, a little bit. But mostly it's out of the wind and it's sunny and people like to sit out and enjoy some leisure activities in the sunshine. Okay, here's the tunnel.
Tunnel's coming up.
It's right there.
Oh, I see.
There we go.
The problem is the bullying. The problem is not the technology. There are certain things that are inherently bad. Like I see this. If you get to play video games for more than an hour,
Next stop, Carl and Cole.
it does make you brain all of that.
I can't be smart.
gotta be like, all right.
I gotta be loving family.
Are there
in
benefits
case
to
you
this
know I'm
and
not
not the
smart.
world building, the
You just
storytelling?
fine. I don't have my friends.
And also, I play video games, so I can't really say like, oh, you're not allowed to do this.
A real sailor knows that's bad. A real sailor knows that's bad. That is
That's the thing. I think it's all very. Coming together and doing that. Like I heard something.
Feel a bit like you're drunk when you walk on a subway car. It's like, whoa,
It's like monkey
whoa,
bars.
whoa. Like walking on that suspension bridge yesterday. It's like, whoa, whoa. This is a bit unpleasantly like being drunk. What's so unpleasant about being drunk? You ask a glass of water. That's a line from The Hitchhiker's Guide to the Galaxy. What's so unpleasant about being drunk? You ask a glass of water. Douglas Adams was the man. You know, I should tell you the story of how he died. Douglas Adams, the author of The Hitchhiker's Guide to the Galaxy, he died of a heart attack in his early 50s at a health club that was started by his trainer. And his trainer had asked him to come join his new health club. And the health club that he had been a member of before was like a big fancy one, you know, because he's a famous author and all. And the one that he was a member of before had a portable defibrillator. But his friend's new gym that he just started, being an independent small gym, did not. And so because of his loyalty to his friend, he died of a heart attack. Whereas if he'd had said, I want to work out where they have a portable defibrillator, he would be alive today.
Bummer.
Bummer. And he was a genius. A national treasure for England. Oh, yeah, we gotta get up. Yeah. So I
It's
thought,
like you realized it the very last second.
I do, yeah. Well, I get talking and I'm not
Yeah.
thinking about where we're at. I just thought I'd show you the tunnel entrance here.
Oh, yeah.
Go up here. It goes through the mountain and
Yeah.
saves us from walking over that 17th Street hill. So yes, see where we are? Sutro, Mount Sutro,
See the tower.
Sutro Tower, back in the hood.
Back in the hood. Yeah.
Hey, look, a Shiba Inu
Oh, yeah.
taking a Shiba shit. A Shiba shit. A Shiba shit.
Shit, you not.
A Shiba shit, you not.
It's so bright.
Yeah, and it's all foggy too. And yet it's still bright. So do you want to go to the boulangerie or you want to head back to the house?
I don't care.
It's up to you. You still hungry?
Oh, I'm not hungry.
Okay, then we don't need to go to the boulangerie then. If you wanted more snackage, we could get some pastries.
Coffee or yogurt or something?
Yeah, well, I was thinking about it, but they say we get back to the house, get some files transferring, then we could go back out for something
Yeah.
after I'm not carrying this bag and all my files are getting transferred. This is where I've gotten my screen fixed twice. Oh, that's nice. That's like 100 grand though, right? At least.
Look at that.
This is where I get my phone
Look at that
fixed.
shelter.
This is where I get my phone fixed. They do bicycles and phone repair. If you're a mechanic, they want you. Yeah. Look, they got fog lamps and everything. That's a Mercedes one too. Oh, they even got a winch. They even got a winch.
Four-wheel drive.
Got a freaking winch that could pull somebody out of a ditch.
Or themselves.
Or themselves out of a ditch. Yes. We did it! Did the whole transit adventure. Mission accomplished. Now we get to walk back through the hate and the panhandle and the corner of the park.
Right.
But it's only about 8 or 10 bucks. If I can do it with this backpack, you can do it. Let's go across. Let's let you go first. Okay, she wants us to go. Thank you. I think I will stop. Make sure all my cameras are stopped. Well,
Step aside.
I don't
This
know.
is the planetary survey.
Oh, I see. This one's still going. You know what? They're just Go cameras. I'm just gonna let it go. The name says I should, right?
Yeah. that's what
It's still
saying.
going. I got 2 Go cameras going. Let's leave this one pointed backwards for the fun of it.
Remember, you can put the one on your head backwards.
That's true, but since I have 2, and the one on my head's pointed forward, might as well have the other one pointed backwards. Just so I can get some of these, like, reverse tracking shots.
Right.
It's the Full House house, yeah.
Not really.
It's following us around.
Yeah. It's looking for us.
It's you don't find the Full House house, it finds you. What's this? What's this? I don't remember this. This is new.
What?
Whatever the heck this is. Eh.
Bird and bear.
Yeah, it's completely new. Wanna see what's
Coffee.
like both of these things are new. Neither one of these things was here before.
Green.
I don't remember this stuff here. How long has this been open?
Well, we only have the open houses about every 2 months.
Okay, so that's why.
Yeah, that's why.
Okay,
You're
right on.
welcome to
I was just
look
curious.
around. We
Right
have,
on.
Exhibits about.
Exhibits, huh?
Eco-friendly living, yes.
Eco-friendly
And
living.
we have a backyard with chickens, meat,
Oh, cool.
vegetables.
Well, I will come back because I live in the neighborhood. I've been carrying this pack around all day. It weighs 30 pounds.
Oh, wow.
Well,
Yeah.
we're open till 4 today, and then the next time we're open is not till September.
Okay, we'll
These are always posted up, so you can always.
we'll come back maybe and check out your chickens later.
Yeah, that'd be
Cool.
great.
Cool.
See you later.
Thanks. You want some coffee? You do? Oh wait, they sell coffee. They don't brew coffee.
Oh, yeah, that's fine.
Yeah.
Sounds like an espresso machine. Maybe that was a grinder.
We can go down to that Velo Rouge on the corner next to Arguella Market. There's that cafe. You remember? It's called the Velo Rouge, which means red bicycle in French.
Right, yeah.
The Velo Rouge. You can get some coffee down there if you want. Or we could go across from where I'm staying. They have an espresso machine there. Espresso. Or you can make coffee in your coffee pot. Or. Hi! You look like a princess. I think that ukulele song was the highlight of my day. Cause I'm free.
Wanted him to play "Losing My Religion."
Right? That'd be the perfect Death Sea song.
And it's Mandalorian. Or, Mandalorian.
You know it. Sum it up. Yeah. The good girl loves her mama. She loves Jesus and America too. Good thing I'm not monetized. I'm demonetized.
Instantly.
Mm.
In the lug nuts.
Yeah. Hold on to your luck nut. For time for an overhaul. And Terrapin. There's a Terrapin and Jansen Bitter, yeah. I knew I even saw that Terrapin on that lady's shirt, sweater.
Ooh, look at these buildings. It's cool.
Funky ones?
Oh, they're all like.
They're all funky. Don't know by now. You know you sit and wonder why, babe. It doesn't matter anyhow. Breaking. I'll be gone. Traveling on. Don't think twice, it's alright. If you don't know by now. Ah.
What year is this one?
What's that? That was about 2004, 5. They didn't start making those until 2000. They're automatic stroke. Twist and go, they call it. Twist and go. No? Real men manually shift their scooters. Old house.
Couple of them.
If you don't know by now. Well, I would say that my batteries lasted just about the right amount of time for this adventure. So, like, if we had more planned, it wouldn't have worked. You know what I mean?
Right.
So, in other words, it's time to be getting home. I don't need this bag anymore. Cannot record. Watch out.
Social justice.
There you go. That's your first San Francisco poop. Although I bet that was a dog. Because people tend to go in like corners and stuff. Not always. Like one time recently, well, I'd say recently in the last year or two, I was this lady out in the corner in front of where we're staying, right? That corner. Well, she was taking a dump on the sidewalk, and I'm like, literally right across the street is the largest urban park in the United States of America. You can't walk across the street and take a shit in the park. You have to do it on the corner. I guess when you gotta go, but that's
Panhandle, right?
yeah, correct. See how narrow it is? You can walk across it in 30 seconds. Oh, we gotta go. We don't have to run. Go in, catch this. I want to catch the next one too if we can. It turns. Yep, giving a tour. If I had any battery left, we could join the tour.
For a small fee.
For a small fee. For a small fee, you can join in. Even a single coin has music. Should it be gold? He said, "Get caught up in the action." Yes, you're quick as me friend.
Oh, I see our church.
Oh, here goes the light. Oh wait, never mind. We just lost the light. We didn't gain it. No running.
This will take you to the ocean, right?
What will take you to the ocean?
This park.
Well, yeah. I mean, if you go west that way, you can get to the ocean without leaving park.
Right.
Well, until you get to the Great Highway. You gotta cross the Great Highway.
Sounds great.
Yeah, pretty great for a highway.
It's great to know.
They can't drive here.
Huh?
They can't drive here.
Oh, I see.
Well, there ain't no rules, ain't no use, sit and wonder why, babe.
It's turning yellow, blue, and yellow.
Yeah, son. You want to hit the shutter button and stop it? Want to hit the power button and turn it off? Well, no, not the screen off. Turn it all the way off. Long press. Push it short press to active. There you go. This one's still going? No, it does. No, it is still going. Fuck it, let it roll. Mitsubishi Delica. Crystal light roof. Oh, it's got the same kind of roof as like the 13 window VW bus with like the curved glass along the edge of the roof.
Those are nice.
You know, like the safari wagon?
Yeah.
You know what I'm talking about? I'll show you. VW 13 window safari wagon. Yeah. See what I mean? They had this curved glass just along the edge of the roof, you know?
Yeah.
Same thing they've got. And it extends the view on up, you know? I like it. I like it a lot. Oh. 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 Ooh. Yeah, I mean, I think we got plenty of videos for me to upload a video a week for a couple, 3 months. So we don't need to do any more interviews. The only reason I was thinking about doing it is because this was like going to be a morning thing and I would leave the afternoon with something to do. But we do have something to do, and it's transferring files.
Yeah.
And it's computer stuff and just chilling and relaxing because we've been going for 2 weeks. I need to pack every single moment with adventure.
Yep.
And just chill and drink espresso.
Yeah, that's true. I have to go down and get my car.
Yeah, you gotta get your car. Well, you could get it in the morning if you're not gonna leave before 10. I would go get it like at 10 and then you'd be good there until noon, you know, after you moved it. It starts at 8, but as soon as you park and they notice you, then you've got 2 hours. So, in other words, if you were to park by the house at 10, you'd be good there until at least noon.
Oh, what I'll do is I'll get everything ready.
Yeah, and then go get the car.
The car and I'll have 2 hours.
2 hours to load up, exactly. And probably be more like 2.5, 3 hours to be honest. They don't come around all the time. Especially not out in the avenues. More in the central part of town they do. See, there's the park. Anyways,
That's not the streets.
what, Monday? No. Nope. It's a Wednesday and a Thursday.
I'd like to,
Oh shit, speaking of which, I gotta think about my car.
that 2 hours.
where my car is when it's got to be moved.
Vacuum.
Let me double check where my car is parked. My silver one, I mean. Okay, street view. It's second and fourth Thursday, I want to say.